The screen flickering issue may occur even to high-end devices like the Galaxy S20. In fact, some of our readers that own this device already reported about such an issue. If the screen starts to flicker, it can be a sign of a hardware problem, but there's always a possibility that it's just due to a minor firmware or app-related issue. In this video, I will show you how to fix Galaxy S20 with screen flickering issue. First solution, perform the forced restart. There is always a possibility that the flickering issue is caused by a minor app or firmware. That's why the first thing that you need to do is to force restart your Galaxy S20. It is a simulated battery removal that refreshes your phone's memory and reloads all the services. Here's how to do it. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. This would be enough to trigger the phone to boot up. When the logo shows on the screen, release both keys and just wait for the phone to boot up completely. However, if the forced restart cannot fix the problem, then proceed to the next procedure. Second solution, reset all the settings in your phone. If the forced restart cannot fix the problem, then it's possible that the issue with the settings of your device. But since it's difficult and time-consuming to determine which setting has to be changed, it's best to just bring all settings back to factory defaults. You can do so without deleting your files and data. Such a procedure has actually been proven to be effective in fixing problems that occur without apparent reason or cause. Here's how. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If this doesn't fix the problem, however, then the next thing you have to do is to do a full reset. Third solution, factory reset your phone. If the first two solutions fail to fix the problem, then what you have to do next is the factory reset. There's always a possibility that it's just a minor firmware issue, but aside from that, this is your last resort. So if the problem still occurs after the reset, then it's probably a hardware problem. Prior to the reset, make sure to create a backup of your important files and data. Here's how to do it. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. The three procedures are the only things you need to do to rule out the possibility that the Galaxy S20 screen flickering issue is caused by app or firmware-related problems. So if the flickering continues even after doing the solutions, what you have to do next is bring the phone to the Samsung service center in your area and have a technician check it for you. Of course, as an owner, you should be the first to know if it's due to physical or liquid damage. If the tech finds out the problem is with the hardware but has not been caused by physical or liquid damage, the unit might be replaced. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful one way or the other. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.